Hello everyone, it's Donna and I'm back with another Embird tutorial, and once again I'm in Embird Studio, or the digitizing tools, whichever way you want to look at it, and I'm playing around with Font Engine again. So I'm going to go up and hit the Font Engine icon right here. This is one for fonts that I would do, and I'll click in here. So what I want to do now, I can either hit this, well, this would open up a lettering project. I can come over here and click this little folder, and it's going to ask me, a directory, and I put in fonts to digitize. And if I look on my computer, um, I do have a thing called fonts to digitize, and I'm actually going to go a little bit further here. Um, and I'm going to select the Cleopatra directory, and I'm going to say OK. And then right here, you'll notice this is yellow. It should be loading the files now. And if I come back over here, hopefully I will find Cleopatra in here. Cleopatra, there it is. So, one thing I really love about Embird is it can read the actual true type font files, and they do not have to be installed on your computer. I know, like Hatch software, it has to be installed, and if you have thousands of fonts installed on your computer, it can actually slow your computer down. So when I'm using Embird, I do not install fonts. I just go to the directory where my true type font file is, load it in, and then I can digitize it. So I'm going to click this, and I'm going to do A, and we're going to make this we're going to start off really large, and we are going to generate the stitches first and foremost. And notice that on these fonts, they're really mainly more for smaller letters, so they are actually satin stitch, and something this large, I mean, if you look at it, you can't do that as a satin stitch. So what I would do would be convert this to a fill. Sorry about that, got two of them there. Convert it to a fill. Well, see if I can do it this way. Nope. I'll do it this way. Just instead of auto column, which is what it does, go ahead and do the plain fill, and we can set it up how you want it. This way, I mean, it's all there. If you want to do it any fancier or anything, you can do it that way. There's a start. I'm going to put my endpoint right here. Oops, and make my start over here. Let's generate the stitches on that and see what it looks like. Yeah, not the best. Change the angle slightly. I can sort of kind of live with that. And I will save this as I need to call it Cleopatra. I'll just save it as A. And then, like with the others that we were doing on the previous video, you can go in here, edit it, make it a B, generate your stitches, center it, Control Alt and C will center it. Again, take it to the plane fill, make it however you want it. Let's see what this looks like. Edit, this will be end point. We'll make the start point up here. And we can live with that. So we will save this file as B. And just go on like that. Now, this would be kind of like, I guess, a cute applique as well. And in order to do that, what I would do would be to convert this to an outline from the fill. And I will go ahead and delete this. This is the big one. So I will actually first paste this, and we're going to change the color. And we're just going to pick a color. And we're actually going to move these to the front. And we will make these the same color. Okay, so this will be like your placement guidelines. These will be the tack down, and then we'll change the color on these. And change the parameters, make them applique stitches, whatever width you want. And there you go. You can play with this corner a little bit to make it more right. But that's how you could, quickly turn a plain fill into an applique when you're digitizing fonts. So just another quick video to show you how to work more with your fonts and your font engine, how to load your TrueType fonts without installing them on your computer. Also, if you have installed a ton of fonts onto your computer and you still have your TTF files in a different location, if you're only using Embird to digitize fonts and you don't use these in like Word or anything like that, go in and uninstall them so that they are not there and not taking up your memory and resources when you boot up your computer, because it does slow you down. The more memory you take up, the more things have to actually swap in and out of memory, which slows the computer down. Anyway, so that's it for this video. I hope you learned a little something new with the font engine in Embird today, and we will talk to you later. Bye.